In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color-coded UO indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the indicator added to your chart, customized and ready to help you make cleaner trading decisions. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any asset or time frame is fine for this setup. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. It usually sits near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator you want without scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active there, and then type in color-coded UO. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the right script. As you type, you should see matches appear just below the search bar. Look for the color-coded UO indicator in the list. When you see it, move your mouse over that exact name and click it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually underneath the main price chart, showing the Ultimate Oscillator with the color coding already applied. Now that the indicator is on your chart, the next step is to fine-tune it for your style. On the left side of the indicator's label, or when you hover over its name in the chart area, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for color-coded UO. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths and smoothing, and you can also tweak the style, such as the colors and line thickness. If you're just getting started, you can leave most of the default inputs as they are and focus on visual clarity. Make sure the colors stand out clearly against your chart background so it's easy to read at a glance. When you're happy with your adjustments, click OK or close the settings window, and your customized color-coded UO will be ready to use. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want the smoother, ad-free experience plus more indicator slots, make sure to use the sign-up link in my description to get started with Pro and unlock the full potential of setups like this.